Hello, welcome. You're watching Business Today. This is Astha Chopra. With me, we are a very special conversation with Mr. Charanjot Singh Nanda. Thank you so much. He's the ICAI president. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting us and being on the channel. So, first of all, we'd like to know that how is ICAI, along with the MSMEs, is aligning with the 5 trillion economy on the path?
Madam, IC is totally inclined to serve the nation. APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab very rightly said we are partners in nation building. As an institute, we are holding 2-day program. Tomorrow happens to be the World International MSME Day. Today and tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be servicing around 25,000 MSMEs across all our 179 branches, where MSME can simply get into a branch, understand, ask for their queries and go home more enlightened. So the basic purpose is to support MSMEs, to make them aware regarding issues related to governance, related to finances, related to compliance, etc.
Absolutely. MSMEs are also small businesses. How are you helping them coming forward with the literacy, with the funding, with everything?
Madam, they have to come to us. If they come to us, we advise them what has to be done. So that is the biggest form of help. Once they are aware what has to be done, how it has to be done, and more importantly, showing them the way, telling them about the compliances, tax structure, it's a human service to them.
Absolutely. I also heard that you're working on the principle called FANDOM, financing, accounting, very much further. How the thing will be aligning to the MSME structure and the startups as well?
Ms. Chopra, it is something where we make them aware. We tell them about the scores, the CIBIL scores, how much they could take, what is the best rate of interest, but we do not try to support a particular bank. We can only tell them about the basic impetus and they can go ahead to any bank, any financial institution and get loans as per their desire.
Mr. Nanda, before I let you go, just one brief question. Can you tell us one of your short-term goal and one of your long-term goal?
Madam, there are only one goal. The goal is to ensure that ICAI helps in nation building. And the longest term goal is that we want our institute, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, to emerge as the best institute of the world.
Well, that was very lovely insights. Thank you so much for speaking to us.
Thank
you so much,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.